over 30 years. I did a trade as a fitter and turner, and I did more stay in that trade, so the size of a golfer, and got involved in teaching to manual outsourcing an area. So, but we continue my trades, but also go into the seeking side of it. But here at Nudgee College, it'd be more, I teach the boys at night. The boys coming down, doing their own work, and doing their own projects, designing them, making, manufacturing, then taking them home. So probably the night work. Over the years, we've done aluminium boats here. So we had two students make 6.1 millimetre weight aluminium boats. So they were a really good project to do. We're about 50 metres long, but about 25 metres wide. Over 30 bays here, welding bays and grinding bays. The products worked really well. Had no problems whatsoever. We're only replacing the clear ones at the moment because it's dirty and a little bit damaged from so much work. The diversity of the kids, I think, who you deal with every day. I'm getting older and older, but the kids keep me younger with all the things they like to do and all their energies. Yes, so when I first came into this area, all the boys at the year were all going to it, want to go to a trade. Whereas now, we're probably a third of the boys are now forced here. Of the 200 boys during the course, that actually are going to want to go to uni, but they're the metal work and the timber construction side just because they want to make late projects. So one of the things we try to do is implement new ideas, new ways of doing things, and that's why we've introduced the CNC plasma colour. So we always try to be innovative and move forward with what's happening in the industry.